Hi, it's Katie from Safewise, and today we're unboxing the Reolink Duo 3 PoE camera. Now, this camera is available today. Stick around to the end of this video and I'll give you a code for 10% off. Let's open her up. I'm usually excited about with all Reolink cameras. They're usually really easy to set up, no subscriptions really, compatible with micro SD cards up to 256 gigs. So you can store a lot of information on this thing. All right, the camera itself, let's pull her out. These are two 16 megapixel cameras, two of them on board. It's designed to create one big panoramic picture. Put megapixels into context. These are 16 each. The iPhone 12 has 12 megapixel cameras on the front and back. So it's pretty, I'm expecting a lot. It also has two 4K sensors on this. One feature that I'm kind of excited to test out with this is the motion track feature. It's not what it sounds like. You might think that it moves around tracking motion. No, it's to create a kind of overlay of one picture throughout the day. So, a normal day, there's not going to be a lot of activity in your front yard, hopefully. But this way, you kind of see a time lapse all in one frame of, the mailman stopped by, your neighbor knocked on your door. I'm not totally sure what this is going to look like, so I'm kind of excited to see that. Oh, there we go. This will be the power jack, and this will probably be the Ethernet jack. What's this like? Put this on the wall and snap it in. I love these flexible arms because it makes it so much easier to position the camera where you want it. Again, this is the Reolink Duo 3 PoE camera. It's available today for $189.99, or you can get 10% off by using this code up here from February 21st today all the way to February 29th. Stay safe.